Hello friends, my name is Hamza and you're watching Hamza Arain YouTube channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to use WhatsApp in your computer and laptop. Friends, just follow my steps because your time waste just as I do, you do the same, and I do not want your will like daily. I would like to request you that my channel to subscribe the required things. So let's start. Open your WhatsApp and first open your computer. So computer, I'm going to computer. So friends, this is my mobile screen and I am going to WhatsApp. And click to three dots and click WhatsApp web and scan QR code. Vision screen. So scanning. This is now connected successfully. See this my computer screen. Good. Computer screens go. For watching, please subscribe.